We're going to do a slime tutorial. So what you're going to do first is get hand soap, the cheapest one you can find or old. So you're going to squirt a couple squirts in there. Depends how much slime you want. So I'm just going to do about 4 because 4 is not a lot what it does. And this hand soap's not working. So I got my hand soap in there, and you can just stir it to just get it ready. Okay, and then you'll need salt. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put some in your hand, literally that much, and just pinch and put it in. Pinch, put it in. Just stir it around. And put a little more in, put the rest in. Now, if it gets too liquidy, that means you need more hand soap. So, I'm going to put one more squirt in there. Just like that. Okay, so I got my slime here. And you're going to put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes in the fridge. But first, it's time for food coloring if you want, or you can have transparent. So what color I'm going to do is I'm going to do yellow. So I'm going to squirt 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops in there. And it says it's yellow, but it turns out orangish yellow. So I have my slime here, ready to go in the fridge. And if you're doing it in the freezer, you can do it for about 20 minutes in the freezer or 30 minutes in the fridge. Depends how much you did. If you did a small amount like me, 15. If you did a big amount, 3, I'd say. Well, I'll see you in 15 minutes, what would really be 2 seconds for you. So, while that's in the fridge, I am going to give you another little quick DIY project. So, what you're going to need is a little container to mix in, a fork or spoon, some hand soap, glue, this is from my old project, glue stick. You can either use glue stick or regular glue, and food coloring. So what we're going to do first is take our glue, open that up, so we have it here, squirt about this much into it. If I opened it, okay, so I'm going to have to unscrew the top, and then we're just going to take a little, pour like that. That's it. So now we have our glue there. Mix it up to get it ready, just like we did for the other project. And sorry, that's my little sister doing that. Okay, so and then we're gonna take our hand soap, squirt 1, 2, take some salt, sprinkle, just 1, and food coloring. We're gonna wait. do 2 or 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to close it up, put it away. Here's it so far. Stir it up. And I have my slime here. Now this is just sticky stuff. This is not going to be the perfect one that's not sticky. And this is just like, I need more food coloring. So this is red and it's like slimy but sticky, feels like, and this will not stain your skin, I promise. And it's, yes, I put a lot in there, but this is going to be Halloween blood, and I'm gonna stir that up. Okay, so I got it stirred up, and it does look like blood. It's a little bit dark, but I think that will work. Yes, and then you can just take your creation, stick your finger in it, and pretend like you're bleeding. So it's been 5 minutes. Only 10 more minutes until I go check on the slime. See, I've been making more slime every time, and sometimes it's a big fail. So, I got my stuff here. If you hear clicking, that is my cat in the background trying to do something. I don't know what. And I actually made this. I made it by, I got help by doing this, but I did the wood here. This is plastic up here. And I took 2 little panda figures, put some glitter in there, and I put some decorations in there. I filled it up, and there it is. So, alright, it's been 7 minutes. The clock is ticking. So what we're going to do waiting for the slime is, I'm sorry if you don't like this, you can exit or skip to the part. But, so what we're going to do is, let's see. First, if you're not a cat person, don't hate my cat. And second, if you are a cat person, love my cat. Okay, clock is ticking. So, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. And I really had fun making this video. And after the 15 minutes, just go check your slime. And if it's still liquidy, put it in for a couple more minutes, because if you put it in too long, it'll just become straight liquid, and it would look like water, but still do not drink it. Well, thanks for watching.